Hi there, planner friends. This is Kathleen Baber with Apricot Tree Planning, and I'm doing one of those speedy quick plan with me's. This is a kit from my shop called Tulip Joy. I decided even if the tulips weren't up, I was gonna use it because I love it. It has really pretty colors. This week I don't have a ton going on, so I decided to go a little crazy with the washi tape and kind of bebop around the full boxes. It takes a little more space, but I had that space that I could waste because literally I have nothing on the calendar. It's just chores because there's no place to go, which in some ways I really don't mind, but it's weird. So anyhow, this is how my week is shaping up. I have tons of extras that I can add in there later if I need to put in some quarter boxes or full boxes, but honestly, I'll probably just be at home doing chores. I hope you guys are doing well and weathering this stressful time successfully. Wishing you the best, and I'll talk to you again soon.